Hi everybody, so I'm back again with another video. I am going to be doing a makeup look for you a bit later on. Um, but I thought for the first video for today, until that video later on comes up on my channel, I thought I would show you, do another outfit of the day video and show you that. So, yeah, you might have seen this outfit before on another video because I think I did one then with the same outfit, but I thought I would show again. So just really quickly, I've got my green hoodie that is from I think it was from a shop in town that I can't remember. Um, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, it's just my green hoodie, and then I'll show you my really cool leggings. I love these leggings. So you can see the pattern um, of the galaxy that's on them. Yeah, and obviously my white socks from possibly Primark or maybe online, Amazon or something. Um, yeah, just really can't remember because I've had this lot of clothing and socks for a while. So yeah, just yeah. So that's my outfit of the day. Sorry if you could hear. Just put the screen up. Sorry if you could hear noises in the background. Outside, some workers are working on something. I'm not sure what. So yeah. So if you heard that. Yeah. So later on, anyways, I'm gonna be doing another makeup video. Or maybe play with my doll. My doll head. I'll be doing another video anyway of some sort of video. I don't know. So yeah, anyway, there will be another video up later. Um, yeah, possibly. So yeah, anyway, for now, I'll see you later for another video. But for now, I hope you like this outfit of the day. Like and subscribe if you do, and all my other videos on my channel. I'm gonna start remembering to say that on my videos because I end up forgetting and putting it in the description when I've uploaded a video. So yeah, but I have, before I go, I have 108 subscribers. And for me, being a new YouTuber, and it's like anybody else that's new, to get that amount so far for me is good, and I guess to get as far as that for other YouTubers, it's pretty good going. So thank you all for that because I never really thought when I started YouTube videos I would never get as far as what I have so far. And I know that I've got a long way off um, coming in the future. But for now, to get that many subscribers, thank you. I just wanted to say that. I've said it loads of times in my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Every time that I get a subscriber. But honestly, I've got 108 subscribers and I just did not think, or was it 109? I didn't think anyway that I would get as far as where I'm at with it now. So yeah, thank you. Right, I'm gonna go now and I'll see you later on for another video. Bye everybody.